we're seeing adoption at different points in different industries. So what I can say, based on our client base, is that manufacturing is actually ahead of other industries in terms of adopting generative AI for operational business use cases. Some other industries that tend to be more regulated and have heavier risk profiles, like healthcare or financial services or even insurance, they tend to start with more of the back office use cases. So, legal or HR, other ways to take advantage without necessarily exposing quite yet the risk. But manufacturing is leading the charge in terms of bringing generative AI to the factory floor.